Here at Welcome Pickups, we value our travellers and our drivers' health, so we've taken a number of measures to protect you. When you book with us, you can request protective gear for you and your driver, as well as a contactless ride. So when your driver will greet you, he will be wearing a mask and gloves and respect social distancing to ensure that you have an entirely contactless ride. Your driver may not help you with your luggage or shake hands, but this will not stop him from giving you a warm welcome. Once in the car, you will have hand sanitizer and hand wipes at your disposal. Our drivers have their own sanitizer, which they will use before and after every ride. Once a ride is completed, our latest algorithm provides a 20-minute gap in between any ride, so our fully trained professional drivers can thoroughly clean all the surfaces of the car and ventilate the cabin. We will completely sanitize and disinfect our cars before and after any ride. This will include every detail, including the smallest areas such as seatbelts, handles, seats, windows, and doors. In the front, the back, the boot, outside, and inside. This is to ensure that we provide you with the safest and most enjoyable ride. On your side, you will be able to rate your safety experience thanks to our latest feature, the NSS Safety Score Matrix. This will allow you to tell us and share with other travelers how safe you felt during your trip. And that's because we care. Discover Welcome Pickups, the best way to get everywhere.